interesting. Hey, what is up? Oli here, back again today with another video. And guys, today is Thursday. I'm super excited to be here with you. And as usual, if this is the first time you're coming across my daily stream, my daily live, I need to check my mic to make sure this is working fine. If this is the first time you come across me and you've never heard of me before, you've never seen my videos before, you've never, I don't know, seen me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or the podcast, I just want to welcome you. I want to welcome you with open arms. And the reason why I'm doing these daily shows, these daily streams, is very simple, okay? I used to be a skinny guy, and I still see myself as a skinny guy somehow. And I do this because every day I want to come out here and then deliver value to you. I want to help you get more clear on what it takes to achieve your dream physique. And I'm doing this because I'm coaching people to transform their body through their minds. And the purpose of this show is really to give you value every day, to really show you like some mental hacks, tactics, things to do, things not to do. And if this is the first time you're coming across this, I need to actually make sure that we get that sorted. Okay. If this is the first time you come across this, well, I will greatly appreciate if you take 2 seconds to literally, subscribe to the channel. I don't know wherever you're watching this. It could be on YouTube. It could be on Facebook. It could be on Instagram. You could be listening to the podcast. If this is your first time, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Let me know if you like this type of content. Let me know what you would like to hear, what you would like to see in the future as well. And guys, I'm super excited today because I had a message from one of my clients panicking, literally panicking. And the dude messaged me at midnight, okay? And I was like, whoa, what's happening, Literally woke me up, man. I sleep very early. So I checked my phone and I was like, wow, what's happening? And he was concerned, okay? He was concerned because he weighted himself and he had gained weight overnight. As a matter of fact, he gained 2 pounds. So he was panicking. He was like, whoa, shit, what did I do? What did I do wrong? Why did I gain that much weight? I've been on point with my diet. I've been on point with my nutrition. I've been on point with my exercising. My head is in the right place. But now, I step onto the scale. I step onto the shaming steps. And I put on weight, man. I gained some weight. So he was panicking. He didn't know what to do. So obviously, I talked to him. I told him what to do. And I want to share with you as well. Because I know that there are many people in this situation. In fact, I've been in this situation myself. There were cases where I used to weigh myself every single day. And then from one day to the other, I would either gain 2-3 pounds or lose 2-3 pounds. And I was freaking out. So today I want to share with you like why this is happening and what you should be looking for when it comes to like those overnight weight gain or weight loss, depending on what your goal is. Really, I want to share with you how you could mitigate that and what kind of investigation you need to do so that you don't panic again. Sorry. So, I boiled it down to 5 reasons. 5 reasons why you are currently gaining weight overnight. And maybe you know them, maybe you don't know them. I'm going to go over them. I'm going to break them down for you. I'm going to explain to you why this is happening, what to do about it. And obviously, like, you can have that on the back of your mind because I know how it feels. I know how it feels like, when you have like a goal weight and you worked really hard, you've been committed to your goals and everything. You probably got a coach, a PT, and then eventually you weigh yourself and you're like, what happened? You know what I mean? I think like I've been on point, but I'm not getting rewarded for what I'm doing. So reason number one, why you gain weight overnight or why you lost weight. Because in my case, for example, I was a skinny dude. So losing weight was like terrible. Losing weight was the end of all. And I was really like having that mental breakdown because I was trying so hard to eat so much. And I ended up losing weight. So I want to share with you 5 reasons why you're gaining weight. So reason number 1, sodium. Okay, sodium is the first reason why you will be gaining weight overnight. Now, when I talk about sodium, I'm going to talk very simple, like we're not going to go into the whole jargon thing. Sodium, I'm referring to salt, your salt intake. Like, how much salt did you consume the previous day? And this is something which is quite often overlooked, not to say even neglected by most people. They don't even know how much sodium they're consuming. And sodium got the priority of helping your body retain more water. And you will see, like, for people who compete in men physique, bodybuilding, maybe powerlifting, you will see that couple of days leading to a show, we get rid of the sodium. Okay, that's again to put ourselves in a position where our body is not retaining that much water. So if you gain weight overnight, if you gain 1 pound, 2 pounds, even 5 pounds, sometimes it could get even to 5 pounds. If you gain that much weight overnight, you want to check out your sodium. What did you eat the day before, which may not be in your routine, which could be something totally different to what you usually eat? What did you eat before, which may contain an extra sodium, an extra bit of sodium? It could be your seasoning. It could be salt. It could be from the food you ordered from the takeaway. It could be from something you ate at a restaurant, which was supposed to be healthy, but turns out it's loaded with sodium. So sodium is something you really, really want to look out for, especially when you have like those overnight bounce in terms of your weight. Number two, the second reason why you may be gaining weight overnight is down to your carbs intake. I mean, I love carbs. In the society where we're living now, carbs are kind of, they become like the demon. I mean, carbs are bad. You shouldn't eat that much carbs and all this kind of stuff. One sec. And you need to look at your carbs as well. Now, if you're on a plan, chances are, if you gain weight from one day to the other, look at your carbs. Look at how much carbs you consumed the day before. And again, it may not be from the obvious source, which is like, I don't know, your rice, your chicken, your potato. It could be coming from a tiny snack from somewhere. You thought that, you know what, she's gonna be fine, but again, you just shoot up your carbs intake, and then as you realize, you put on weight. And again, your carbs have also the water retention ability. So, provided that you obviously drink enough water, you will gain some weight, because your carbs, what the carbs will do is essentially like suck the water into your body. Therefore, you will gain weight. Simple as that. So what you want to do, like again, look back, go back to the scenes of the crime, go back to the day before. Did I eat more carbs than I actually do on a normal day? So you really, really want to start looking at, one, you want to look at your sodium intake. Did anything change? Number two, you really want to start looking at your carbs intake. Third reason why you gain weight overnight. And honestly, I think before I go into this third reason, first of all, in my program with Rise Academy, like, I do not recommend my clients to weight themselves every day. I don't, okay? And that's me, and I think that's something which works for me and my client. The client I talked to yesterday was new to the program, so he didn't know about it. So, okay, we sorted that out. I believe you should be weighting yourself on a weekly basis, okay? Because doing so on a daily basis, there are too many variables, okay? Pick a day, stay consistent with it. This is going to be another point I'm going to touch on later on. But what you really want to do is have that weekly weighting so that you don't get surprised. So that it's kind of like the accumulation of all the things you'll be doing throughout the week. Because one day you could be eating fine. The second day there could be, I don't know, some special event. The third day you could be dehydrated. The other day you could be drinking too much. There are so many things. So you really want to actually have like a baseline and then minimize the variables. Third reason why you, my friend, gain weight overnight is pretty simple. The pipes are blocked. Have you been to the toilet and did you pee enough throughout the day? And that's something you want to actually look at. Have you been to the toilet? Like, every day you should be going to the toilet. Otherwise, you may have like some digestive issues. So you want to look out for that as well. Because again, if you're not getting rid of all this bad stuff that your body actually processed and it stays in your body, guess what? You just gain weight. The weight is just gonna stay there. So you really want to make sure that your digestive system is in place, everything is fine, and you go into the toilet literally at least once in a day, dropping the bomb. And then the second thing as well, you really want to go to the toilet to PP. That's what my son says. PP. You want to go to PP every day. Usually you should be peeing like every 2 hours if you're well hydrated as well. So that's another thing you want to look out for. Hydration, man. Like just keep the fluids coming and then just go pee. It's every 2 hours, okay? That's one of the things you want to look out for. Like, are your pipes drained? Is your digestive system working for you? Is everything working well? Everything is fine? Is everything in place? That's something you want to look out for as well. Number 4, and that was pretty much gonna be like for the ladies, your hormones, man. You know, like, you know, if you it's the time of the month, you know, if it's time for the periods and stuff, you know that your hormones are going to be all over the place, and there's this hormone called progesterone, something like that, yeah, and it's got a huge impact on the bloating and all this kind of stuff, which is normal. I mean, you should know that. You shouldn't panic about gaining weight just before the time of the month. Like, you know that obviously it's the hormone kicking in, and it's the hormone which is responsible for this variation. The fifth reason, number 5, the fifth reason why you could be gaining weight overnight, it's purely simple. It's down to a change of habit, and I wrote it down here. Change of habit, like, could be a change anywhere, man. You could have changed, I don't know, like what you eat. You could have changed your daily routine. You could have changed the time when you eat. You could have changed the time when you weight yourself, and that's what I was telling you about. Honestly, I do not believe that you should be weighting yourself every single day, because as human beings, we're kind of like maniacs, and then when we walk into the goal, we always want to assess where we are, how we're doing, and all this kind of good stuff, which is good. But again, on a daily basis, there are so many variables, and you want to be mindful of those variables. That's why I always recommend weight yourself on a weekly basis, because on a weekly, you're going to have like an average of all your actions, and you can do that every single week. And the way I teach my clients to do that with Rise Academy is, you pick a day, and this is the day you're going to be weighting yourself pretty much for the rest of your life, okay? Usually for us, we do it on the Sunday morning, first thing in the morning, you do it. Now, if you weight yourself, for example, in the evening, you will have like the accumulation of everything you've done, again, throughout the day, which could impact your weight. So again, I want to wrap it up by saying that you will have like changes overnight from one day to the other. It's not miracles. There are many other variables. I just took the first 5, the 5 which just came into my head, I believe, like, are the most overlooked, and which could be the first place for you to go in there and investigate, and then start thinking like, okay, you know what, maybe this is why I've actually gained weight. There's no reason to panic about it. In the same way you gain, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 5 pounds overnight, the same way you could drop that. Just start looking at those 5 elements. Number 1, your sodium level. Did you eat a little bit too much salt? Did you eat some food which contain too much salt? You need to start looking at that again with the water retention. Number 2, maybe you ate too much carbs. Maybe you ate a little bit extra in terms of carbs. You want to start obviously investigating that as well. Be mindful of that. Number 3, check your pipe, check your digestive system. Make sure that obviously everything is working. You go to the toilet at least once in a day, and you do the pee at least every 2 hours. So again, that's really important to make sure that your digestive system is working for you. Number 4, if you're a lady, it's the hormones, man. Time of the month. You want to make sure that obviously, like, if it's time of the month, you can't do much about it. And I know that most ladies know about it. So again, that's something like, if your cycle is irregular, like, it could be like a reason why you will panic. Number 5 is the change in habits. Like, if anything changed, if you change the time you ate, if you change your routine in terms of like, when do you actually weight yourself, these are the things you will want to investigate. The first thing you want to have in your mind when you see the number on the scale going up from one day to the other, don't panic. This is normal. It does happen in life. Like, not every day is the same. Things change, things happen. Okay, you got to adapt, and that's why you take those 5 elements and then you just go and investigate. You go and see, okay, this is what happened. This is what I need to do. There is no point to panic about it. And I'm going to wrap this video up. If you like this type of content, please give it a like, share, subscribe from wherever or whichever platform you're listening to. I'm also going to give away my workout manual. I don't have it with me here, but I've got a workout manual which is literally giving you all the tools, all the exercises you need to achieve your fitness goal. It could be anything. It could be anything from your fat loss perspective, from a strength building perspective, from a muscle building perspective. I've got literally 4,500 minutes of workouts in this manual. It's covering a period of 6 months, and I'm giving it away for only £7. So I'm going to put a link in the comments, the description. There will be a link somewhere. Go check it out. It's a great resource. And on top of that, I'm not just giving you a PDF. I'm also giving you access to like the tutorials, how to do those exercises, how to make sure that you perform those exercises in a safe way. So be sure to go check out the workout manual. The link is the bio, description, the comments. And guys, it's been a pleasure as usual. Loving the interaction on the page right now. Be sure to obviously share, tag a friend if you think that it's going to be valuable for them. And can't wait to speak to you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Peace out. Bye-bye.